All right, good morning. It is Tuesday, May 12th. So we have our algorithm here for the algorithm simple switch strategy. So our algorithm has tripped. It's switched to the long side. It's telling us to go long. We got permission, volume agrees, all good. So now we're just waiting for this candle to close so that we can jump into this trade. We already know that our risk is about 60 cents on this trade. That's what our algorithm is telling us. So we can size appropriately and all that stuff, enter our trade with the right size. So and the right risk reward and put our risk management plan into action. So we got about 7 seconds here. So we're getting ready to jump in. Everything's still there. And 2, 1. All right. So we are in this trade. And then, so algorithm will give us all of our targets and we'll be back in a minute. Okay, so just to talk about technical analysis a little bit. We're not trading with that, we're using an algorithm. But, right here, a lot of traders, might see this to the long side. They want it to go up and they're like, oh, it's a bull flag. And then it's going to complete and go up and go up somewhere in here. And then other technical traders are looking at it and saying, no, this was support before, so this is going to be resistance. This thing's going back down. So all depends on what you want to see. You can find an argument somewhere on the chart to justify that. This is what it's like trading from home. It's quite difficult sometimes. All right, traders. So when this thing went through this target right here, I needed to put my stop in. I didn't get my stop in, so I should have been out of this trade already and made my one-to-one on it. And then when I missed out on that opportunity and it came all the way back down and closed, I probably should have just took my trade off the table at that point and took my money. I didn't. I'm still on this trade right now. So I'm hoping this goes through and hits this target through one more time. I have my trade set up here, ready to go. And then as soon as it gets through, we'll go ahead and place that stop. So there's a bunch of traders out there that trade like from detached garages or in their garage. They make a little house in their garage. Other traders get together and they rent office space. I'm like, why would you rent office space and have to leave your house? Or trade in a detached garage and have to actually leave your house to go and trade. And that's how I used to think a long time ago. And when you have kids, family, dogs, pets, distractions, it's actually way better to not be in your house when you're trading. If you can. All right, so we're through on the ask, but not on the bid. 29 we hit over here. All right, come on, let's do it. Get through there. Get through there. Oh man. Waiting for it. Tempted just to take my trade off here, call it, since it already hit once, twice. Okay, canceling that out. 70. Oops. I think I'm just going to pull this trade off the table here. Where are we at? 9, 8. All right, we're about to get through. And I put my sell on for 27. So we're in 72. I think we're in 70-27. Okay, we're in, we're out. All right, yeah, I don't want to monkey with that one. Let me get out. Gave me 3 opportunities to get out. I'm an idiot and didn't take the first 2. Took the third one, and you know what? If it runs without me, so what? It's a 1-to-1 strategy. We get our target. Good to go. 58 bucks on that one. So we're looking for the next trade. Okay, so I was processing the video from the first trade today, so I wasn't able to get going on this one when I jumped into it, but we jumped into this stock, algorithm tripped, gave us our prices, our stop, our ideal entry, and our targets if we're right. So yeah, so we jumped into this already. Actually didn't saw the corner of my eye, and by the time I hit the button to buy, this candle had dropped pretty fast, and I wasn't able to get in at the ideal price. So we're a little bit late on this, which messes up our risk reward a little bit. But yeah, this stock usually does pretty good for me. Get like a 90% win on it, so I feel pretty good about it. So yeah, our first target 63.12, and then 62.76, and so forth. So we'll sit back and I'll put our stop in already, and we'll see how this trade goes. All right, so here we are at the end of the day. This trade took forever. So I trade on the 5-minute candle. Sometimes I'll be in and out of a trade within 5 minutes. Most of the time it's like 30 minutes, you're in and out and be done. Sometimes you're there all day like I was with this one. Oh my goodness. All day long. So this is the hardest part about trading with the simple switch algorithm strategy. Is when you come to the end of the day like this, you're almost to your target. We might actually get our target, so it might not matter. Low range 12, 13 here. But you only got 2 candles left because you got to close out your position to return the funds because you're a broker. And you're like, do I take my profit right now, or do I wait till it hits the target, knowing that it could go up before it goes down? Like, what do you do? And my way of thinking is I look at the markets, and right now all the markets, Dow, Nasdaq, S&P 500, they're all tanking big time. So that's why I'm still hanging out on this. If those were flat or starting to trend upward, I would just get out and take my profit right now, because it could bobble before it wants to come down, but you might have to close your account out before then. So all right, so we're at 13 now. I'm going to cancel this order, and I'm going to go ahead and buy this back. I'm just going to take this trade off the table. High range is less than. All right, let's do it this way. Market, buy. All right, so I closed that out at 63.15. So that works. I got better than what my target was. So yeah, so 2 green trades today. Awesome day, even though this took so long. But the best part was I wasn't here for all of this. I just let my computer run and record, went outside, did stuff around the house, came back, check on it, go out, do things, and so on. I don't have to sit here watching my trades. So it makes it pretty easy to do that. But anyway, so there you go. 2 nice 2 winners today. It's a good week so far. May's been good to us, and this account is growing back to where it was. We're around 18 and change now. So basically another $100. We'll be right back where we were before I almost blew up the account, sim trading my hotkeys in the real account. Anyway, I talk about it in my other videos. Bad. But we're almost back. So another $100 away from being back, and we'll be there. So I hope everybody else had an awesome day, and we'll see you tomorrow. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like button for me. That will help me out a lot with YouTube's deal, so I can get so I can get my viewership up. That would definitely help out. And I also try to post content every day or every couple days whenever trades are available. So if you hit that subscribe button and the bell icon, then you can be automatically notified when I have new videos and new content coming out. Sometimes I'm posting content with my trading, like today, and other times I'm just posting content on lessons I've learned in the markets over the years. All right, everybody, have an awesome day. We'll see you tomorrow.